All right, welcome to this video. Today we're going to be transferring this old 8mm tape. Can you see this here? It fits inside this camcorder, old school camcorder. 8mm, the footage on there, how do you get it from the tape to the computer, specifically a playable digital file on the computer? So that's what this video is about. Hopefully this can help you out. Let's get started. We'll put the tape in the camcorder. And you can see I have the camcorder powered not by the battery. The battery is not dependable or reliable because it's so old, right? And it could have a couple hours of playback here, so we're going to be plugging that in directly to the power cord. Now, as far as the footage transfer, how do you get it to your computer? Well, the camcorder came with AV cables. You can see the yellow and the white here. So really all I needed was an adapter. Now this adapter was super affordable, $7 or $8, and it plugs, basically converts the audio-video signal into USB. So you plug it directly into the USB port on your computer. So that is what you will need. And then you, of course, your camcorder should have a cord that allows you to plug in. So we'll plug that in, and that basically, again, sends that signal outbound to the computer. And we'll make sure the tape is rewound. And once it is rewound, we're going to go over to our computer and we're going to open up QuickTime. Now, if you've got a PC, the adapter comes with some PC software that you can certainly explore and install. I made a separate video on how to transfer VHS tapes to PC, so it operates the same way, so you can search my channel for that. But as far as a Mac goes, you're going to open up QuickTime and then click New Movie Recording, and then you can see my settings here. Make sure that is on the AV setting. You don't want it to be feeding your FaceTime camera, obviously. And make sure the volume's up and hit the record button on QuickTime and then the play button on your camcorder. You can rewind that last part if you would like. And we've got a blank tape, so this is no good. We're going to switch out the tape here just a minute with a tape with actual footage. So all I've got is snow. So let's get a tape in there that I know has some good footage on there, just so we can verify that this works. And the same concept, right? Make sure the tape is rewound. And then come on over to QuickTime. Now you'll want to do a test sample before you sit here for 2 hours and then find out there's an error, right? So do a test sample first. We're going to delete that last file since we don't want to keep it. So again, QuickTime, New Movie Recording. And then you can open up the screen a little bit more so you can see better. And make sure your settings are connected to AV. There's a little drop-down menu next to the record button. Hit record and then hit play on your camcorder. So record on QuickTime and play on your camcorder in that order. You don't want to hit play first and then record. You want it to start capturing and recording first and then hit play. Now there's going to be about a 5-second lag, at least on my computer. Your computer might be different. My computer's a little older, so that 5-second delay in signal is normal. And then it syncs up perfectly. So we've got our test sample here. We've got sound and video coming through the computer, and it is captured and has captured successfully. So now we save the file. And again, this is just a short test sample for you. We're going to save the file, give it a unique label and name. And we'll save it to the desktop. Let me drag it over here so you can see. And we'll open it up to verify that it plays back sound and video. Fast forward it just a little bit. There we go, good to go. And that is it. You now have a digital file converted from 8mm tape to your desktop. And from there you can, of course, move that into the cloud, Google Photos, or whatever your system is. Thanks so much. Hopefully this has helped you out.